Okay, we are started.
This is the Bourgoin Volcano, and it is about to erupt. We have inside information. This is an experiment.
Hold on, let me get closer to the
vinegar
volcano.
and baking soda. And vinegar and baking soda make quite a something. You want to try? Chase? Why don't you pour some in? Help me. Ready? Oh, that's our volcano right there, man. It erupts. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, yeah.
It's destroying the whole world. Let me try.
Look out. It's coming.
Can I try?
One time. One time. Wait. Okay, careful. Easy. Nice and easy. Oh, okay. Good. Oh.
Here, let me try.
No, it's all done. We can't use all the vinegar. So I think a little more baking soda maybe? Smaller hole. Hey, more eruption. Hey, you still filming?
Yeah, it's fun. Pretty cool.
Cool.
There's our volcano. Trees.
Okay.
And here's Seth. Seth, say hi.
Hi.
JJ, say hi. Alright.
All right.
I want to play outside.
Take it.